Today I want to bring to your attention an SAT problem that you must know how to solve. Now, it may not come up in your SAT, but I've seen it appear in various forms in many of the practice tests. It's a very good question and it's very easy if you know how to solve it. Because this is such a good test question, you might also see it in school tests, exams, as well as the Cambridge O-level exams. So the question would normally be something like this. If sine theta equals 0.8, what is cosine 90 minus theta? The answer is very simple. If sine theta is 0.8, cosine 90 minus theta is also 0.8. Why? So let's look at the triangle here. Okay, using angle sum of triangle, we can say that, let's call this angle A. Okay, we can say that angle A plus theta plus 90 equals 180. Angle sum of triangle minus 90 on both sides, and we're left with A plus theta equals 90. Therefore, angle A equals 90 minus theta. So I'm going to mark this over here. We're saying that angle A is 90 minus theta. So let's refer to our TOA in trigonometry. We're not going to worry too much about TOA right now. We're just going to consider our sine and our cosine. Let's call this side x, and let's call this side y, and let's call this side our hypotenuse. We're not really going to concern ourselves too much about our hypotenuse, even though we're going to use it in our TOA. So if you remember, sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now, remember, our opposite is the side that's not touching your angle. It's the side that's facing your angle. So in this case, your sine theta equals, your opposite is x because it's opposite to theta. So it's x over your hypotenuse. What about your cosine theta? Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what's your cosine theta in this case? So your cosine theta, cosine is your adjacent, which is y over hypotenuse. Now let's consider our angle A, or our angle 90 minus theta. Let's go ahead and say our cosine A, which is also equal to cosine 90 minus theta. Again, that equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. But what is our cosine 90 minus theta? So we're looking at this angle. Remember, the angle that's the side that's adjacent to this angle is this side, which is x. So it is x over hypotenuse. Now let's look at our sine A, which is also equal to sine 90 minus theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So we can say that our sine 90 minus theta equals, now we're looking at this angle again. So what's our opposite? Our opposite is y. Y over our hypotenuse. Now, do you see that our sine theta ends up being x over hypotenuse, which is also equal to cosine 90 minus theta. Similarly, our cosine theta, which is y over hypotenuse, equals your sine 90 minus theta, which is also y over hypotenuse. So it is very important for you to remember that sine theta is always equal to cosine 90 minus theta, and cosine theta equals sine 90 minus theta. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see a specific topic, please leave a comment below. I sell notes online as well as offer tutoring services. Links down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you.